Developing oneself and working on personal grooming are important aspects of personal growth and overall well-being. Here are some steps you can take to improve yourself and enhance your personal grooming. Self-reflection. Take some time to reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, goals, and areas you'd like to improve. Understanding where you stand and what you want to achieve is the first step towards self-development. Set clear goals. Define specific, achievable goals for your personal growth. Whether they're related to improving a skill, building confidence, or enhancing your appearance, having clear goals will give you direction. Continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops, and engage in activities that challenge your mind and help you acquire new skills. Time management. Effectively managing your time is crucial. Prioritize tasks, create schedules, and allocate time for self-improvement activities. This will help you stay organized and avoid procrastination. Develop soft skills. Soft skills such as communication, empathy, problem solving, and emotional intelligence are essential for personal and professional growth. Practice these skills in your interactions with others. Build confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Challenge negative self-talk and focus on your accomplishments. Confidence plays a significant role in personal grooming. Physical appearance. Personal grooming involves taking care of your physical appearance. This includes hygiene, skincare, hairstyling, and dressing appropriately for different occasions. Regular exercise and a balanced diet also contribute to your overall appearance and well-being. Communication skills. Effective communication is crucial in both personal and professional settings. Work on your listening skills, practice speaking clearly and confidently, and learn to express your ideas succinctly. Networking. Build a strong network of friends, mentors, and colleagues who can support your growth. Networking provides opportunities to learn from others and gain new perspectives. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive mindset by practicing gratitude, focusing on solutions rather than problems, and maintaining an optimistic outlook on life. Accept constructive feedback. Be open to receiving feedback from others. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement and refine your personal grooming habits. Emotional well-being. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. Engage in activities that help you relax, such as meditation, mindfulness, or hobbies you enjoy. Work-life balance. Maintain a healthy balance between your personal and professional life. Take time to recharge, spend quality time with loved ones, and pursue activities that bring you joy. Self-care. Practice self-care regularly. This includes getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and engaging in activities that relax and rejuvenate you. Remember that personal growth is a continuous journey. It's important to be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Each step you take towards self-improvement and personal grooming contributes to your overall well-being and success.